Okay, I have a master lock. It's a number 27 commercial grade. This is the bitting on the key. It's not too drastic. Okay, it does work. It is not a key retaining lock. You can take the key out when it's unlocked. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. That's not too bad. But I would like to open this lock up and see what's in the lock itself. I'm sure it's spools and our serrated pins, but let's take a look at it anyway. Okay, let's use bottom of the keyway. Let's use this pick. Okay, there is let me get my pick in the back of the lock. See if I can get it to the bottom. Okay. 5, 4, 3. There's 1. Let's work our way back down. Okay, there it is, open. Took me a little longer than I expected it to, but it is open. So let's go ahead and gut it and see what's in it. It is a rekeyable lock, I believe. See how this thing comes off. Okay, it just lifts off. Alright, there's the way it comes out. Alright, let's see if we can get the okay, it doesn't have a clip on it. Okay, there's where it's got to go. Alright, let's see if we can find something here. Follower that we can use, or a reasonable facsimile thereof. Okay, I don't see the follower that fits this lock, so let's see if we can do it this way. See if we can keep from dropping the pins. Let's just let them pop out. Okay, there's number 5. Looks like a standard pin. Okay, we'll look at them real close. Okay, one more. Okay, somehow we're missing a pin. I didn't see it pop out anywhere. Okay, this lock's only pinned for 4 pins. No wonder we didn't have a pin in the one spot. Okay, it's only got 4 pins. No wonder it's so easy to pick. Okay, let's look at it real close. See if we can get down a little closer. I thought it had some spools in it or serrated pins, but it doesn't. It's all standard, and it's only 4 pins. It even has a place for a 5th pin. So that's weird that Microsoft would just do that. Guess they want to cut down on the money. Okay, appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you again.